What's up, YouTube family? This video is part of a group of videos called What's That Noise? These videos are designed to help you either figure out what's going on with your own car or explain what's going on with your car to a mechanic. There's a whole playlist of videos, so check them out. Let me know if you have any questions and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Exhaust leaks do come in different shapes and sizes. There's usually a smell also accompanied with an exhaust leak, so sometimes you can smell the exhaust inside the car. The lawnmower sound is a small exhaust leak, which was at the gasket where the downpipe goes. The dirt bike sound is a larger exhaust leak at the manifold. And the Harley sound was actually where a catalytic converter had been cut out of a Prius. So it does get really loud when you have a huge exhaust leak. That last sound is a hissing noise, or maybe sounds like an amplified salt shaker, and that was because the catalytic converter had actually broken down internally. You can see the breakdown of the honeycomb structures here. They should be solidified to the wall, not moving around like this. And because they were moving around, they were actually choking the exhaust, so it was leaking out wherever it could, pretty much at every gasket.
Girlie Garage offers automotive education and consulting. Feel free to pop on over to my website if you have any questions. The link's in the description.